Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha, of course, and for today, so the title already and of course the thumbnail. Yes ladies, you don't know, say it's our time. Yes, and guys, appreciate you lady when she doll up herself for you. Okay, all right, so stay tuned and watch this full video. Okay, and let's go into the first style. Of course, Teeny Weeny Afro right there on the right with my friend with the industrial piercing. And of course, below her, you guys need to check out that YouTuber. Look at these styles. All black and flashy. Just, guys, don't be afraid to cut your hair. My ladies, what did I see, guys, though? But don't be afraid to cut your hair. This look is just simple rods. And then you just bam, put on some makeup on it. We all ladies love to get doll up every now and then, so this video is just a short clip just to show you the trending style for 2021. And of course, I have my Caucasian, of course my African sisters. They're now embracing back their natural hair and textures, the style for blondes. Yes, Caucasian, and whether you're African American or Asian, blonde is the way to go. And of course, who don't know this beautiful actress? Yeah, Teeny Weeny Afro is back, and my friend down there in the wig. You guys need to have a wig. You can, ladies, you have to have yourself a wig. And if you feel like wearing your hair low, nothing is wrong with it. Embrace your style. And of course, braids are a big thing to do. And of course, there's some gel over there flashing our hair and stuff like that. So guys, I know the video short, but I just want to show you guys the trending for 2021 part 1. Thanks for watching. Bye.